Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch, which is called the iris stitch. So you can see each of these little sections here is supposed to replicate the flower called an iris. It's a very simple pattern. I'm showing it here in aran or worsted weight yarn, and I used a size 5mm crochet hook, and it's made up of 2 double crochet followed by a chain and 2 other double crochet, second set of double crochet into a chain space. Now it's very easy to work up. You need a multiple of 4 stitches and 3 turning chain at the end. So let's get started. I'm going to start the foundation chain with a slip stitch round 2 fingers, tuck the loop through, make it into a loop and pop it on your hook here. So I'm going to do a series of chains. To do a chain we go yarn over, pull through, that's 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's the 20, and then I'm going to do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and that's going to make our edge stitch. So we count first of all for our first row, which is a foundation row. We go into the 5th stitch from the hook. Now that one doesn't count, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So identify it first, and then we're going to put our hook into that particular stitch, and we're going to do 2 double crochet, insert your hook catching the top 2 threads here, draw up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to do another double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that makes 1/2 of our iris. We then have a chain, and then we're going to do 2 further double crochet into exactly the same space. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again a final time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our first iris. So we have our chains going up the side, 2 double crochet, a chain space, 2 double crochet. And we don't make another chain space between our irises. So now we need to find the next, we're going to skip 3 stitches from this stitch that we entered. We're going to identify 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go into this stitch here to make our next cluster for our next iris. So we're going to go whoops, yarn over and into this fourth chain, capturing both the front loop and the loop underneath. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now don't worry, this first row is always a little tricky, so just bear with me, it gets a lot easier. We're going to do our second double crochet into the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, 2 more, double crochet into the same space. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and the last one into this chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There we have our second little iris there. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go into this next space here with 2 double crochet. Here's the first one. Second one. Chain space after those 2. And then the second pair of double crochet, like so. Just need a bit more yarn. It's got a bit tangled. Just free some yarn. Yarn, whoops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3 into this chain here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, you get the idea, double crochet, chain 1 in the middle, 2 double crochet for the other side of our iris. Did you know the iris is the national flower of Jordan? Now when we come to the end, we will have 2 stitches left on our chain, 1, 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip the first stitch, and we're simply going to do a double crochet into this last chain. Now sometimes it's quite tricky to get through to the exact place. Don't worry, just do your best. There we go. Let's lie this down and have a look at our work. Now obviously you can make this much wider if you're making a scarf or a baby blanket, but the iris stitch is very good for making baby blankets or any blankets. So we've got a double crochet at each end, that represented by the beginning chains, and then you've got these groups of irises in the middle. And you can check your work to make sure that you've got them in the right combination. So it's a pair of 2 double crochet all the way across. So now we're going to go into row 2, which is the repeating row. So after this it becomes even easier and even quicker. To start our second row, we're going to start with 3 chain and turn our work to the left. And now all we have to do is to do 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet in this space just here, indicated by my crochet hook. So not this one here, this one here. Yarn over, insert through 2, through 2 for our first double crochet, our second double crochet, chain 1, 2 more in the same chain space. Now we don't do a chain, like it's exactly the same as the row before, no chain in between our clusters of irises. We just go straight into the next chain space to do our 2 double crochet, 1 space, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. Two double crochet in the next single chain space, 1, 2, 1 chain, double crochet, double crochet, no chain, double crochet, double crochet, 1 chain. Now when we get to the end, I would always, if I were doing a larger piece, I'd always check my work, because sometimes it's easy if you get distracted to maybe miss one of these double crochet here. So that looks all right. Now to finish off this second repeat row, we're going to find the top stitch here, and we're going to do a final double crochet into the top stitch here, and I like to go into 2 to cover 2 threads there, and that completes our row. This makes a really nice firm tight edge, and then we simply repeat 3 chain, turn our work to the left, find your first chain space here, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, find the next chain space, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet, next space, 2 double crochet, chain, 2 double crochet. And you're nearly done this next row. Now obviously this is only a sample, and I would advise you to just do a little practice, maybe on something narrow to start you off. When we come to our last stitch, we find that top chain there, and we're going to do 1 double crochet into that top chain to finish off the row, 3 chain, turn our work, and there we have it, the iris stitch. So I really like this. I think it's very pretty. It's easy to remember with this 1 row repeat. For beginner crochet, it's very nice to have a 1 row repeat. So look for a 1 row repeat pattern because it's easy to remember. It's something you can do whilst chatting to somebody or on the television. I think I'm going to use this for a baby blanket. I think a baby blanket would look really lovely in this. And the holes are not too wide apart. No danger of little fingers getting well, maybe bigger fingers wouldn't get caught. Maybe not tiny little baby, but certainly you, I would think that that is a very lovely pram cover. So have a go. Let me know what project you're working on at the moment in the comments below. And I look forward to sharing another video with you soon. So press subscribe if you'd like to, and the bell if you'd like a notification. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.